Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool and powerful little vacuum cleaner. It's kind of like a little dust buster on steroids. So this thing is really cool because it is built extremely well. Loving the fact I've been testing this out and it works really easily. You have a simple switch on here. You can turn it into an eco mode, or you have a power mode. You've got your LED indicator light there. Relatively quiet, and it does come with the charging adapter and brick to plug into a USB-C. It charges up really quickly, and even on low mode this thing will run about 30 minutes on the powerful suction, and we're talking, you know, over 15,000 PA worth of suction, which is a ton of suction. It'll last over 20 minutes on the maximum setting, which is ample time to get everything cleaned up. Does come with a couple of nice attachments. You've got your detail attachment if you're going to be doing cars, downside seats, things like that, with a little flip out brush so you can, you know, brush it up and get it sucked up in there. Let me go ahead and show you a little suction power just on eco mode. Look at it go. Switch to maximum, and I mean, dirt is gone. So that's fantastic. It also comes with another attachment. These just simply slide in and out the end right here. And you also get a secondary filter. And these filters, now these are robust. We've got a lot of vacuums that these are not as easy to use, but this simply locks and unlocks to put in place. Pull it off, you got your filter in here. And the reason why I said it's robust, because this filter, knock the dust off outside, is completely washable. So you can wash this entire filter. As it's drying, pop the new one in, and you've got all that hair that you just collected in there. And this is a large capacity, so you can actually hold quite a bit of little guck and hair and stuff in there. Simple to use, easy to put in. I mean, loving the cleaning ability of this thing. Very versatile, would work great in your car or your home.